Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look just an absolutely gorgeous 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, one of 1,800 cars built, guys. Gorgeous nut and bolt rotisserie restoration that was just done. The car literally only has about 800-900 miles on it since it was restored. And I'm telling you, the bottom is as nice as the top. Just a beautiful car. It's finished in that light blue metallic. It's got the white vinyl interior. The car was actually not a factory blue car. I believe it was yellow when I looked it up. But it is a correct 340 P-code high performance 340 with the matching numbers engine. Now it's a 68, so you know it's an early build 68, so it's not a it doesn't have the VIN on the block, but the build dates match up with the block, so it's as close as matching numbers you can actually get in these cars. I apologize about the snow, but unfortunately it's winter here in Michigan and we just got to deal with it. But beautiful car. There's not much you can pick at. You can see a couple little dings there I noticed in the chrome, but man, other than that, the car is just stunning. See new bumpers, beautiful paint, guys. If you're looking for a car with just super slick paint, you will love this car. Original 340S chrome there, so you can kind of pick at that a little bit. You can see the little patina in there, but very, very nice. New glass. Again, I apologize about the snow there. Unfortunately, as the day goes on, it's going to actually get worse. It's got the fold down rear seat. Of course, this rear deck for the folds down as well. Get your golf clubs in there, your luggage. Look how nice the bezels are on this car. Probably the most impressive thing, when I get inside, I'll show you the dash. They have done a beautiful job restoring that dash. Laser straight down the sides. It's got 15-inch steel wheels on it. It's those are BF Goodrich radial red lines all the way around it. Tell you guys, it's a lot more fun doing these videos when it's warm out. I'll tell you what, this is a pretty car. It's probably the nicest one I've ever owned. I mean, it is that nice. We had a red one time. A guy put a Hemi in it that was a killer car, but I mean, it's nice. You can see new fuel tank in there, all new exhaust. They have just done a beautiful job restoring this car. They've converted it to front disc brakes, put the dual line master cylinder in it, so that's really nice. Look at the front of that car. Nice conversion there. A lot of people like the disc brakes. Again, this is the correct 340 for the car. Holley 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar intake on it. Stock exhaust manifolds. It's got the old style Mopar battery in there. Again, they've updated it to the dual line master cylinder. There's your fender tag. We've got the broadcast sheet, the Certicard, and the original owner's manuals for the car. It is a factory AC car. Now, when they restored it, they didn't put the air back on it, but we do have the AC stuff that come with it. This is literally a show car, guys. Turn the key, drive it right to the show. Let me guys show you how nice the bottom of this car is. Got the fender mount turn signals. A-pillar chrome's nice. Shows a little patina there, but pretty nice. Those look new. Those are very nice. All this stainless as a top is gorgeous. Definitely newer door handles. You can see the new door fuzzies, new door rubbers. I love the interior. It's got that that kind of pearl white look to it. Look how nice the wood grain is and all this trim. They've done a beautiful job. Remote mirror. I'm not hip on those floor mats, but it's snowy out here, so we put them in it. Again, factory bucket seats with the console. Again, it's got the fold down rear seat. Look how nice this dash is. Anybody's ever restored a dash? Clock works. Factory AM radio. It's showing 38,300. I'm sure that's 138. 727 torque flight automatic. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 323 sure grip. Again, look at all the cracks and crevices. This beautiful car. There's the hubcaps for the car. Wheels have been all powder coated. He never put them on. If somebody wants to put them on, you're welcome to. We weren't going to scuff up the wheels putting them on. There's your original broadcast sheet. The Certicard is in here, as well as your owner's manuals. You can see it's all body color underneath here. With it's got the original bias ply spare, or a bias ply spare, I should say. I don't know if it's the original one. Factory jack. It has had quarters put on it. They did a nice job. Fit and finish on this car is excellent too. When you look underneath, it's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, guys. Great car. Bought a bunch of new cars this weekend, guys. I got a ton of stuff coming. Some of the stuff actually came in yesterday, and then I'll have, I think, 6 coming in today. So watch that website. Bought a bunch of really nice cars. It's getting tough, guys. I'm telling you. We've been doing this since '78. I've been doing it. Oh gosh, darn near 30 years now, and it's tough. It's tough to find good quality cars that don't need to be restored. We put a shift light in it, that's aftermarket, but just good stuff. Because restoration costs have just skyrocketed. And just a little patina there on your A-pillar chrome. Mopar radiator with a shroud. I mean, hood just shuts nice. That is a quality car. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Love 68 marker lights, man. My favorite. Backup lights work. Yeah, that's a beautiful car, man. Jay said he couldn't get the radio to work. Blower motor though, Jay?
Yep.
The radio. We'll show them this one here. There you go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. I'll actually snap pictures as I'm buying them. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.